Hello and welcome to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare Pro products, its services and its usage.
Today's video is the part 2 video of leg pain exercise series. If you haven't checked the part 1, make sure to watch that video first and then follow these exercises. In this video, I would be demonstrating you some of the leg stretches which are helpful to ease leg pain. But while doing leg stretching exercise, it's very important that the pain should be minimal or else it should be moderate. If you are having severe leg pain, do not attempt this exercise. And if you feel further doubts related to these exercises, feel free to reach out to us to understand more about it. So without wasting much time, let's have a look at leg stretching exercise which helps in leg pain relief at the same time prevent further leg pain. Let's get started. So before we start our stretching exercises for leg, it's important to do some warm-up. So the first warm-up that we are going to do is leg slide, for which we have to sit in this position, spine erect, leg completely out open. You can take support of your hand, keep it on side so that your back is supported well. And now we are going to slide our leg. Slide to the pain-free range and come back. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are going to do this for 5 repetitions for both the legs. So it makes total count of 10. You can go it up to 15 to 20 repetitions as per your comfort. The idea behind doing this movement is to bring freeness or is to improve the range of motion. So I'll do next another 5 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we will relax. This makes our first warm-up. Now let's move on to the second warm-up, and that is static quadricep exercise. Even though it's a strengthening form of exercise, but right now the way we are going to do this, we will be using it in the form of a warm-up exercise. So let's have a look. Take a towel roll like this, place it below the knee, again sit erect. Now press your knee down, lift your leg up slightly and then relax. Now the thing to remember here is you don't need to hold this position, you just need to press and release. Press and release. Press, release. Like this we are going to do for 5 to 10 repetitions. Press, release. Press, release. Press and release. So I have done it 5 times for this leg. Same way I'll repeat for another 5 times for another leg. So press, release. Press, release. Press, release. Press and release. So this makes our second warm-up exercise. Now once the warm-up exercises are done, now let's move on to the stretches. So for the first stretch that we are going to do, we are going to place a towel roll below our ankle so that our leg gets propped up. Now we need to pull this up in a way that calf gets stretched. So here the stretching that we are doing is for calf muscles. We can also call it as calf stretch. So the towel roll is below our leg. The leg is well propped up. Now we are going to take the help of a TheraBand. You can also use a dog belt or else a bedsheet roll, a cloth, or towel roll, anything just to give that pull. So right now I'm using this TheraBand. I'm going to keep it here this way, and now I'm going to pull my leg towards me. I would be holding this for 30 seconds. Try to make your spine erect. Don't slouch forward like this while pulling. Make yourself as erect as possible and then pull your ankle. When you pull this, you should feel a stretch in your calf region. You would be holding this position for 30 seconds and then you will let go. Also make sure that you breathe normally while doing this exercise. Don't hold your breath. Let's do it one more time. Pull spine erect, hold, and then let go. One more time, pull, spine erect, hold, and let go. So we have done this for 3 repetitions. You can do it at max of 5 repetitions. Make sure to do it on both the legs, whether it's paining or not, it's always helpful. Now let's move on to exercise number 2, which is your hamstring stretch, also called a stretch of your back thigh muscles. Now in order to do that stretch, we need to lie down. So lie down in this position, make sure that both the legs are bent. Now we are going to take the help of a TheraBand or else a towel roll to give the stretch. So now let's have a look how to do it. So here I am taking this TheraBand. I will place it below my foot like this. Now I am going to lift my leg like this, stay in this 90-90 degree position, and now I will start lifting it further upwards. And then I will pull my foot towards myself. When you do this, you will feel a pull in your thigh region. That's the correct stretch that you should feel. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then gradually come down. We will repeat this for one more time. Keep your foot over the TheraBand. Lie down, lift. First keep your leg in 90-90 position and then lift your leg up. Hold this, pull the leg towards yourself. Hold this for 30 seconds and then gradually come back and then come down. Let's do this for third time. Lift up, 90-90 degree position. Then lift up, pull the leg towards yourself. Hold this position and then relax. You can repeat the same for the other leg as well. And this makes our hamstring stretch. Now the third stretch is the stretch for your front thigh muscles, also called as quadriceps stretch. Now in order to do this, lie down on your tummy. Keep both the legs straight. Now, bend one leg to 90 degree. With the hand, you hold the leg and try to pull it and touch it to your hips. You should feel a pull in the front side of your thigh. Hold this position for 30 seconds. And then gradually come down. Let's do it for the second time. Pull up, bring it to 90 degree, hold your hand and then pull it towards your hips. Hold this for 30 seconds. And then come down. We'll do it for the third time. Bend. Bring it till 90, hold your hand and then pull it towards your hip. Hold this for 30 seconds. And then release and come down. So this makes our quadricep stretch. Now let's move on to the next stretching exercise. The next stretching is the adductor stretch or the inner thigh stretch. Now in order to do this stretching, we need to sit in a butterfly pose, which is also a very common yogasana pose. Now for this, we are going to bend both the legs, bring both the legs together, join the foot in this way and then try to sit erect and try to push this leg's knees downwards. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. Make sure to breathe normally while doing this exercise. And then gradually relax. When you relax, you can bring both the legs together towards your chest. Let's do it for the second time. Bend, sit straight, hold for 30 seconds this position. And then relax. Coming to the third count, bend, bring your foot together, hold your foot, try to sit as erect as possible, breathe normally and try to move your legs apart. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then come back and relax completely. So this makes your adductor stretch or else inner thigh stretch. Now moving to the last stretch of the series, and that is your hip flexor or else your front thigh, upper thigh muscle stretch. For the next exercise, which is the stretching for your front thigh muscle, lie down on a sideline position like this. Bend your knee, hold your knee with your hand and then try to pull your leg as backward as possible. You should feel a pull in the front thigh region. Hold this for 30 seconds. Come back and then release. Let's do it for second time. Hold, pull, come back, release. 3, pull, hold for 30 seconds, come back and release. So friends, these were some of the leg stretches which would be helpful for leg pain relief. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. Thank you.